Gold. Now we are based on daily chart. Okay, even in my last video we analyzed the chart and there is no much changes, but again we can analyze here in this video. Okay, even in my last video we say what we have here based on daily chart is in the correction. What we are more interested, we want to see whether the price, do we get these two correction again, what we have here, whether we can get this one, then we get this flat, then the price drop before we get the buy. This is what we are more interested, but there is a possibility when the price drop, the price move up, in that case, without it dropping, that means the price from here continuously can go up. In that case, this is the only correction we have it. But what we interested, if we can get, we are expecting to get this correction drop, then we get this up move. Okay, if I move to forward chart, even based on the forward chart, we can see since my last video there is no much changes. May I draw back again? Okay, I draw this line. Okay, as we can see here, the price is correcting. Based on this one forward chart, there is no setup for whether for buy or sell. Okay, and there is a possibility this correction can continue up to here. If we didn't get any trade setup within this range is okay, but if we get the down move, it is good for us. How about the 1 hour chart? Also we can see based on the 1 hour chart, in my last video price was somewhere around here. There's no much changes. There was a small the flag or the correction, maybe whether we call it the correction, the buy, but the one is didn't move, because we see in my last video, we see if we draw these two line, we can have a correction, or we call it the channel. Okay, but now as we can see, may I draw this one in this weekend VP weather, but as we know, these lines is not the one is helping us to get the trade. It's just as a trend line or some indication can help us, whether we want to draw like this or what we have right now, doesn't matter. Okay, that means there is a possibility the price move within this range. Okay, is correcting. If like that, buying or selling from the top or bottom based on the lower time frame, we can do it. Okay, but what we are talking right now based on the 1 hour chart, the possibility if we get a trade, if there is a continuation, we don't get a really good trade similar to what we have here. Okay, that means this one was a break even trade. Okay, anyway, the things I want to say here, buying or selling here is quite risky. If anyone wants to trade, they're supposed to have a proper trade setup. Okay, in this case we are not sure how their price can continue before come to this level, before come to this trend line. If we get a trade setup, we will update, we take, but if we get the down move, is really good for us. We are not sure whether the price come here or drop from here or not. Also there is a possibility the price come here and continue to move up without getting the down move. But what we wanted to get this move. That means we get this correction and the price drop. And now the question is whether we can trade within this or not. From what we can see here, we don't have any trade setup, and we need to see how we can trade it because the price is correcting. In this case, we just follow the chart, and if I get any trade setup, I will update on YouTube, and mostly within this range if there is a continuation similar to what we have here, or will be short-term trade. And if anyone wants to trade within this range, they supposed to have proper trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart and see how we can trade it. And for more information, you can refer to my last video. There is some more information, maybe it can help you, help the traders. Thanks.